Ever wondered why dentists are like your overattached partner, constantly nagging about brushing and flossing? Let's dive into it, ladies. Oral hygiene, my friends, isn't just about sporting a smile that could give the sun a complex. It's the unsung hero of overall health, especially for us gals. See, a woman's oral health is more complicated than a season finale of a soap opera. Our hormonal fluctuations can impact everything from the blood supply to our gums to the way we handle toxins. Talk about a sensitive mouth, huh? But fear not. Your daily dental routine doesn't have to feel like a mission impossible. Just remember to brush, floss, and don't forget to scrape that tongue of yours. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. And ladies, don't ghost your dentist. Those regular checkups are like your personal tooth fairy spotting early signs of trouble before they become a monstrous toothache. And if you're expecting a mini you, keep in mind that pregnancy gingivitis isn't just a fancy term dentists throw around. It's a real thing. So keep up with that brushing and flossing. And as we hit the big no, not Monday, menopause, remember that just like hot flashes, your mouth might go through some changes too. So keep hydrating, ladies. Remember, a healthy mouth equals a healthy body. Who knew your pearly whites had so much say in your overall well-being, right? So, ladies, let's turn those frowns upside down and start taking care of our smiles. After all, a healthy smile is the best accessory a woman can wear. Stay tuned for more such enlightening and slightly humorous guides. Remember, dental care is no joking matter, even if we do crack a few in the process.
If you have any questions about this or another topic, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we'll make a timely diagnosis. Our dentist in Oxnard, St. Paula, Venture, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you toward the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.